Hello everyone, welcome to the Big Bang Geology channel. So this class is on Telegram quiz explanation class. So first question is emerald is a green variety of corundum, topaz, kyanite and beryl. So correct option is beryl. So you can easily give into beryl. Why beryl? Emerald, the green variety of beryl, is the most famous and valuable green gemstone. Very pale colored stones are not called emeralds, but rather green beryl. They are sometimes heat treated, which causes their color turn to blue, and transform into aquamarine. Remember it, aquamarine. Green beryl is turned to blue and transform to aquamarine. Okay, so here correct answer is beryl. So so only 51% given correct answer to beryl. So please remember it, don't mistake again. Thargocyst complex is here. See, options is older than Darwar, younger than Darwar, equivalent to cross-spread granite, younger than Papagni group. So you can easily eliminate these two answers, younger than Papagni group and cross-spread granite. So younger than, this is not younger than Darwar, this is the older than Darwar. See how older than Darwar is. See here, this is the Thargocyst complexes, is more than 3200 million years. So this is the Darwar group. These are belongs to 2100 and 2380 million years age. So this is the older, this is the older, and this is the younger. So here, see here, this is the older than Thargocyst complex is older than Darwar, So correct answer is A. Only 49% given this answer, older than Darwar. Please remember it, don't mistake again. Next, which one is an upper Gondwana flora? See here, Glossopteris, Gangmopteris, Vertebraria, Tilophyllum. See, Tilophyllum is the upper Gondwana flora plant fossil. So this is the correct answer. Only 34% given correct answer. So why only Tilophyllum is correct answer? Glossopteris and Gangmopteris are belongs to lower Gondwana. Please remember it. Everyone confusing this question. Which one is the upper Gondwana flora? Glossopteris and Gangmopteris are lower Gondwana. Are lower Gondwana. Okay, lower Gondwana, and Tilophyllum belongs to upper Gondwana. So this is the Tilophyllum is the correct answer. See, lower Gondwana plant fossils from Bareilles Formation exposed between Pinjolnala, Shesha and Balakpong, Bomdila Road, West Kamenj district, Arunachal Pradesh are described or reviewed. The assembly is comprised of Gangmopteris and Glossopteris. See here, these are the lower Gondwana. Okay, so then automatically this is the Tilophyllum is the upper Gondwana. Okay, next question. Penetration pin is fluorite or pyrite or rutile or calcite. Example. Okay, see here, correct answer is fluorite. Why fluorite? Crystal twinning occurs when two separate crystals share some of the same crystal lattice points in a symmetrical manner. The result is an intergrowth of two separate crystals in a variety of specific. Okay, see here, this is the penetration twin like this. So penetration twin example staurolite and another example pyrite. Penetration twin another example pyrite. Okay, Karlsblatt in orthoclase, example orthoclase. So here example of penetration twin is so I have given only two examples in this. So commonly fluorite is also commonly in penetration twin. Okay, this is the correct answer. So geniculate twin, rutile, pyrite, fluorite, quartz. So A rutile, B pyrite, C fluorite, D quartz. See here, geniculate twin, pyrite is also cross-twin, penetration twin, and quartz is interpenetration twin. Fluorite also belongs to penetration twin. So rutile is the geniculate twin. See here, knee-shaped crystal twins such as rutile TiO2 composition of the rutile TiO2 crystal may have twinned on the second order pyramid 101. Also can be seen in the cassiterite, spinel, and zircon known as elbow twins. Or see here, rutile and cassiterite are the examples of geniculate twin. So you can see here on confusion will do clarity. So I have given fluorite and pyrite, but you can when examination you can give pyrite. Pyrite and fluorite is both are correct answers. So okay, these two answers are correct. These two are penetration twin. Penetration twin examples are pyrite and fluorite. So these two are correct. Don't confuse fluorite and pyrite. Fluorite and pyrite are the correct answer. So 36 and 24% are correct. So remember it. Don't mistake again. Don't confuse. Very simple. So finally next. So for any daily quizzes in Telegram channel, join here through this link. So many students learning daily quizzes on concept wise, so you can also join early and do subscribe this channel. For I think this video useful to you, then you can subscribe and share with your friends and like this video. Okay, do subscribe. Okay, thank you.